Well, someone is already starting while we wait for our room. We missed our dinner reservation. I told Trevor that's all I wanted was just some munchkins to dance for me. I said you get an A for effort.
B plus rapping.
We will do better tomorrow night for Nobu. I'm over by the sports boat, so don't know how well you guys can hear me, but welcome to the Vegas vlog. I'm in Excalibur right now. Trevor went to the bathroom. We're waiting for Trevor's brother-in-law. He's gonna come get us. They actually got us the rooms here for this first night here in Excalibur, so they've already checked in, and they're coming downstairs to fetch us so that we can get into our room, drop some stuff in, freshen up, and then I think we'll go get food because Trevor and I haven't really eaten very much today, so Trevor and I definitely need food. I don't know if we're all gonna necessarily go out to lunch, but yeah, we're here in Vegas for my birthday / to visit family. Trevor's sister and brother-in-law live here. They're actually leaving for a vacation tomorrow, but Trevor's mom is also here, so we'll be seeing her as well. But tomorrow is my actual birthday, so Trevor and I are just gonna kind of like have the day to ourselves. We're staying here in Excalibur tonight, and then tomorrow we're checking into Caesars. And if you're coming across this video like a little bit later in the year and stuff, this is taking place during Vlogmas, so I'm gonna be doing daily Vegas vlogs of this trip. So make sure that you're subscribed so you can like follow along on the whole trip. But like I said, yeah, we're just waiting to get into our room, and then once we do, we'll hit the town. Well, someone is already starting while we wait for our room. I said someone's already starting while we wait for her room. Just checked into our room. Excalibur's, you know, it's a room.
It works.
It's got 2 beds, so Trevor and I each get a bed tonight. It's nice. And then we have a view of Excalibur.
And the strip.
A little bit. No, that's not the strip, that's the freeway. We're facing the other way. The strip's this way.
Bad.
Yeah. So we have a view of Excalibur.
Cool, I've never seen that side.
Yeah. Little bells. Got a big mirror, closet, then bathroom. Standard stuff. But I'm gonna get changed and then just kind of clean up a little bit, and then they have drinks and stuff in their room, so we'll probably head over there. Trevor and I need to find food at some point, but we'll head up to their room for a bit and just kind of hang out and stuff. And then I think I've mentioned it already, but tonight we have reservations for dinner for like the whole family at my favorite restaurant here in Vegas at a Toro, which is now at the Hard Rock. It used to be the Mirage, but they've renovated it to the Hard Rock now. But I'm glad that they get the restaurant, so we're heading there later tonight. But I'm gonna get changed and then fix it myself a little bit. Little quick outfit check. I have the Revolve sweater that I wore on Thanksgiving, a pair of leather leggings, my New Balances, and then my puffer coat and my new little Fendi. And we're gonna head up to the room and probably grab some drinks and stuff. Okay guys, so here's the situation. Our nieces were so sweet. They got me a birthday sash. Birthday girl got too drunk hanging out with Trevor's sister and brother-in-law. And I hadn't had anything to eat. Didn't realize they didn't have anything to eat. The 3 of us got way too drunk. I came back here, Trevor was taking a nap, and I passed out with him, and we missed our dinner reservation. So that's where we're at right now. I did get up eventually and I changed Here's outfit number 1. And we've been downstairs just like eating at a random bar in Excalibur. Because like I said, we missed our dinner reservation. So go Vegas night 1. Really, really already off to a great start. But I'm back in the room. I just like dropped off my salad. Like when I tell you guys I got too drunk, I got too drunk because again I hadn't eaten food. So we went to the bar, grabbed me some fries. Once I had the fries, I felt a little bit better. Then I tried to eat a salad. I didn't eat the whole salad, but I'm sure I'll want it a little bit later. But basically we're just hanging out tonight and gambling. Anyone who's watched my Vegas vlogs before, you know, like we're not club people, so this is essentially what it was gonna be. It was just supposed to be a more exciting, nicer dinner and then just gambling afterwards. So essentially we skipped over the dinner part and we're just gambling and hanging out. I think Trevor's sister and brother-in-law just passed out for the rest of the night. So I think tomorrow, we were originally gonna drive up to Mount Charleston, which is where it snows, about an hour out of Vegas here. We were originally gonna drive there for the morning for my birthday, but I think because we missed dinner, we're just gonna hang out with the family tomorrow, which is totally fine. I'm happy to do that. So we'll probably do more tomorrow, but I'm so sorry. Like, I think Trevor and I were just like we were falling asleep on the drive in and we were just so exhausted. Then drinking without eating was just like too much and we just passed the fuck out. But I'm about to head back downstairs, just grabbing my key. Don't forget that, so that we can gamble and stuff. But I just wanted to explain what was going on because I know I said we were gonna go to a Toro. Trevor and I will probably go to a Toro on Monday at this point since we missed it tonight. It's only open for dinners, so we couldn't go for lunch tomorrow if we wanted to, and we already have reservations at Nobu tomorrow, so we'll probably just go to a Toro for dinner on Monday. So yeah, so far Vegas day 1 was kind of a fail, but also kind of very Vegas for us to get so drunk we missed our dinner reservations. So we're gonna have fun. We're gonna hang out with his nieces and their boyfriends and just like gamble and have a great time. But I think it's so funny that we literally passed out and missed our dinner reservations. Like we've never done that before in Vegas, but you know, there's a first time for everything. We're down in the casino. I got Trevor with me this time.
This time.
Well, cause I was in the room without you and I was all like, I swear to God, like, we're all hanging out, but like, shit, I just got too drunk, but we were just like kind of wandering around looking for games to play and stuff. But yeah, everyone kind of like went to bed. But we're gonna stay up and hang out and stuff. Oh, one more. Oh, boo! These games just, they really get me. Have the free games. Nice. Do it. Oh, you bitch. I know. $250. Dream big. And again, if this bitch screws me over, I'm gonna be very upset. To be fair, it is my birthday. Oh, come on.
Come on.
Oh, you dick.
Even worse.
I know.
Oh, wait, maybe not.
No, it was worse. It was absolutely worse. Literally the spin after the last clip you guys just saw. I'm not even kidding. I swear to God, if this thing gives me $250 again, I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh.
That's a good one, though.
Is it really?
Look at that, that's already good.
Is it?
Yeah.
What is this? Oh, I got coins! Oh, now I finally get to see the fucking munchkins dancing for me. I told Trevor that's all I wanted was just some munchkins to dance for me.
39.
Okay, I'll take it. I'm out. Ventured over to the Luxor since they're connected. I won at Excalibur, then it just fucking took me out. But it's all good. I mean, I played on $25 all night, so I'm not mad. But we just thought we'd like change venues for a little bit. almost feel like the Chocolate River bonus.
Oh, we got 6 spins and 6 spins.
Oh, okay. Come on, Chocolate River.
It's actually
You got your Chocolate River.
Yes.
factory in the world mixes its chocolate by waterfall.
I just wanted to see what the Chocolate River does. Ooh, are you supposed to pick? Go, 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 go. I got a gobstopper. I got another gobstopper. What did you get? $5.75. Oh, you get another one?
Which way do I go, left or right?
Close your eyes and let it go.
Oh,
Sorry.
yeah, I'm not doing that again.
Okay, sorry, my bad. Super upgrade though. Oh shit. That's the one I would have told you to go for too.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Oh, you don't have to show us the other ones. It's like 1-ish a.m. I'm down 40. Trevor's up $8 though, so. Dream big.
That's why you married me.
Absolutely. For the money. Clearly I'm a gold digger. But
$8. I hope you enjoy your footlong self.
thank you. But we're heading back to the room. He gave me a birthday present this morning. I think I'll go ahead and open it. Yeah, I'll open it right now because it is technically my birthday. It's the next day.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
At least a bunch of people.
By the way, my nieces got me this sash and I kept forgetting that I was wearing it, and so many people were like, happy birthday, and I'd be like, how do they know? But okay, I also have a Caesar that I'm gonna dig into because I couldn't really dig into it that much at the restaurant. Oh, you're not gonna stay for opening the present? All right. But Trevor was nice and tried to wrap it really nicely. We'll give him an A for effort.
Okay, that's an A+ effort.
I said you get an A for effort.
C+ wrapping. I got the job done.
I said you get an A for effort. I appreciated that you wrapped it at all in actual wrapping paper and not just like threw it in a bag.
I would never guess.
Oh, shit.
Oh, apparently you don't like the gift.
Shit. Ooh, perfect for the trip.
I thought so. That's why I got it for them.
So this is like a little mini light that I've been wanting that like you can kind of like take with you. So when it's like backlit or it's dark and stuff, especially when I'm traveling and I don't have as much control of the light, I can light up for the vlogs. And also it's great for like doing my makeup if I don't have good light. So that's also why I've been wanting it. Thank you. I can't get it open. But I'm sorry if today's vlog isn't very long or very exciting. Didn't help, like I said, that I fell asleep when we were supposed to go to dinner.
You woke me up?
No, I didn't.
Think of the worst way to wake somebody up.
Trevor, not everyone's going to interpret it the same way as you. I would suggest explaining it.
Screaming, oh fuck, is not a great way to be woken up.
As I woke up and I saw the time, our reservation was at 8 and it was 8:43. I was like, oh fuck!
That's all I woke up to.
And Trevor's sister is really awesome. Her birthday gift to me was she took care of the room for us, which was so amazing because I mean, I don't know how much Excalibur was, but we saw the prices at Caesar, so I can only imagine. Like, I mean, Excalibur's not going to be as much as Caesar, but still, like, the upcharge for this particular night was insane at all of the hotels this weekend. So that was so generous of her to get us the hotel room for my birthday. As I have mentioned, we are going to Caesar's, or checking into Caesar's tomorrow. So, like I said, even though today's vlog was a little bit light on stuff, we're still in Vegas for 2 more days. Checking into Caesar's tomorrow, so definitely make sure you're subscribed and stuff. But here's the light. And it's bright too. I've seen people use it. I saw it from Jaclyn Hill, and her videos have great lighting, so you know this little thing is legit. And it comes with this little baggie. I think that these are like the accessories. I wonder if it has a mount, because I don't have a mount for it. That's like one thing I need. Oh, so that was the charger. Little cover if I want it. And then back here, okay, this is just like for the light. But still, it's nice that it has like a little accessory kit and stuff. So I turned on the light just to give you guys a little idea what we're working with here. And like I can change the temperature on this too. So if it's a little too warm. But, oh, look at that, you guys.
Jesus.
She is lit up. So this one's really cool. Let me see if I can turn. Okay, so this light is warmer. Ooh, that's a nice light. Look at how good the picture looks with the light on.
Sure.
Wow, that really just like takes this camera up to another level. Fantastic. Yeah, I'm really excited about this because also too, like I said, if I need to do my makeup, like this light also helps for that. Mainly for filming, but added bonus that it can really help out with makeup. Oh my god, speaking of makeup, I look like a hot mess because I literally just, we came into the room and I threw on like a legit 5-minute face. And then I've just been wearing it all day, even through my nap. So this was not the look I had envisioned. Oh shoot, I don't know why I took that way. This was not the look I had envisioned for myself for tonight's outfit. We will do better tomorrow night for Nobu. And in case you're curious what the night view looks like of our room, here is the inside of the Excalibur at night. Really, Trevor?
Sorry.
But yeah, that's the center of the Excalibur at night. I know, super exciting. This is probably what you guys were here for.
That's sad.
Enjoy. And then here is what my dinner was tonight. I'm gonna eat the leftovers right now. But in case you were wondering what fantastic Vegas dinner we had, I literally got a fried chicken Caesar salad. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog off here. Again, sorry it wasn't the most exciting Vegas vlog. Stay tuned.
My own bed.
Yeah, we each have our own bed tonight.
So nice.
We love it. That was one of the best parts of Sabrina's
We should always have
birthday
our own
gift to me.
beds. What do you think?
No,
We just get our own beds?
No.
Bedrooms?
no.
Who do we know that they said, yeah, we sleep in separate bedrooms?
It was like a friend of my sister's.
Yeah, and I was like, oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right.
But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna end it off here. Like I said, we're going to Caesars tomorrow. Stay tuned, and then we're also going to Nobu. So
So much room
promise
for
we will be
activities.
doing more tomorrow.